Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Trust wallet. First, locate your 12-word recovery phrase. This unique sequence of words is the only way to regain access to your funds if you lose your device or forget your password. It's crucial to have this phrase securely stored and readily available. Do not proceed without it, as it is your master key to your digital assets. Once you have your recovery phrase, download the Trust Wallet application on your new or existing device. Open the app and choose the option "I already have a wallet." You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word phrase. Type each word precisely in the correct order, ensuring no typos or extra spaces. This step is critical for successfully restoring your wallet and accessing your funds. If you encounter issues, double-check your recovery phrase for accuracy. Common mistakes include incorrect spelling, wrong word order, or accidental extra spaces. Remember, the phrase is case-sensitive, so ensure you are entering it exactly as it was provided. If you've tried multiple times without success, re-verify each word against your original backup. Patience and precision are key here. To prevent future recovery challenges, prioritize the security of your recovery phrase. Store it offline, perhaps written on paper in a fireproof safe or a secure physical location. Never store it digitally where it could be vulnerable to hacks. Additionally, enable biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID on your device for an extra layer of protection for your Trust wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.